So in this Sabre new feature video, we're going to talk about the usability in the service and the project module within Business Central. So one of the first feature details we're going to talk about is adding the Power BI and project details to the project list, which weren't there previously. So this is the project details that was currently not available on the list page. So as I navigate to, I'm able to see the budget, the actual, the billable, and as I navigate to different jobs, I can see that this information would dynamically update. It's also pulling through the Power BI of the fact box, which was previously only available from within the job card page. So you were always able to see the project details if you opened up the project and looked at it. But now again, you're able to see that from the list page, which would allow you to go project by project. You can add filters to just see that information a lot more quickly. So another improvement is making the item reference number available in various places. So we can see that it's available on the service line, service invoice subform, credit memo subform, item worksheet, and service lines. So if we just take a quick look at some of the places it's available, you'll get the idea. So here, if we were to navigate to our service orders, we can open it up. We could go into our service lines, and here we can see that we will need a lot sensor, and we can see that the School of Fine Art calls it a 4231354. If we close out of there, we would also be able to see that on the service item worksheet. So again, another place to just look at a lot of that information differently. So here we've got the number, we've got the item reference. So you're starting to get the idea, but we'll go look at a service invoice as well. So again, we see the item reference. So previously, these areas didn't have an item reference that you could use. Again, it's also available on the service line page 5905 and the service credit memo subform 5936 if you're navigating around. So another great feature add is that you can add more columns in more places. So you have the ability to see the quote number as an example on posted service credit memos or invoices. So if we open up Business Central, so we can navigate to our posted service invoices. So here we can see up in the section up here, we don't have a quote number, but we can see that that has been added. So the quote number was a new one. If we scroll back, we can see that external document number was a new field that was added. External document number was actually added on service orders, credit memos, invoices, quotes, posted service invoices like you see, credit memos, service ledger entries. So it's all passed to the general ledger entries and it's available too. So that was a great add from Microsoft. The external document number is also available on the project side as well. So the external document number as well as your reference number are also new fields that were added. So you've got your reference and you've got external document number. So again, Microsoft is always looking at what are the fields that people need to see, and it's making them visible in more places. As always, Sabre really wants to show you new features, bring you more functionality, so these videos aim to do that. If you require more information, if you want to see other great features, please contact us using our phone number or our website to get in touch. Thanks for watching.